Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Speak Better English podcast.
We are so happy to have you here with us again. Congratulations on completing Chapter 1.
In our previous lesson, we learned how to greet people and introduce ourselves.
And today, we are going to continue building our English speaking skills.
Let me ask you something, Leo. After saying, "Hello, my name is Mia," what usually happens next?
Well, people normally start asking questions like, where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? What are your hobbies?
Exactly. These are the kinds of questions we hear almost every day.
Whether you're making a new friend, attending an interview, traveling abroad, or joining an online class, these conversations happen everywhere.
So today, we will learn how to talk about ourselves naturally and confidently.
And don't worry if you make mistakes, because mistakes mean you are learning.
So everyone, relax, smile, and let's begin. Talking about yourself.
Leo, when you meet someone new, what information do you usually share first?
Usually my name, where I'm from, and what I do. That's right. Let's listen to a simple introduction.
Hello, everyone. My name is Leo. I am from England. I'm an English teacher, and I enjoy reading books and traveling.
Very nice. Here's mine.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mia. I am from Pakistan. I love learning languages and meeting people from different cultures.
That sounds wonderful.
See, everyone? You don't need complicated English. Simple sentences are enough.
Let's speaking practice. Repeat after us. My name is, I am from, I live in, I am a student. I work as a, I enjoy.
Excellent.
Let's talking about age.
Leo, what question do people often ask after learning someone's name?
They usually ask, how old are you?
This question is very common, and answering it is easy.
I am 20 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30.
Remember, everyone, we say I am 20 years old, not I have 20 years.
That's a very common mistake for English learners.
Let's practice dialogue.
Leo, how old are you?
I am 28 years old. What about you?
I am 25 years old.
Wonderful.
Let's talking about family.
Family is one of my favorite conversation topics.
Family is one of my favorite conversation topics. Mine too. People often ask, tell me about your family. How many people are there in your family? Leo, can you tell us about your family?
Of course. There are 4 people in my family. My father is a businessman. My mother is a teacher. And I have 1 younger sister. What about you?
There are 5 people in my family. I have 1 brother and 1 sister, and we enjoy spending time together.
Now we talk about useful family vocabulary. Let's learn some important family words. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin.
Great job, everyone.
Let's talk about jobs.
Leo, when meeting adults, what question do people usually ask?
They often ask, "What do you do?"
This question means, what is your job?
Some common answers are, "I am a teacher," "I'm a student," "I'm an engineer," "I'm a doctor," "I work in a company," "I run a business." Let's practice a dialogue.
So, Leo, what do you do?
I work as an English teacher.
Thank you. And what about you?
I am a student, and I love learning new things.
That's wonderful. Now let's talk about something fun. Hobbies.
Hobbies help us know people better and make new friends.
Exactly. People often ask, what are your hobbies? Or what do you like to do in your free time?
What is your hobbies?
Reading books, listening to music, watching movies, playing sports, cooking, traveling, learning languages, playing video games.
Mia, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and watching English movies.
That's great. Watching movies can really improve your English.
Absolutely. What about you?
I love reading books and traveling to new places.
Wonderful.
Now let's talk about likes and dislikes.
Everyone has things they like and dislike.
That's true.
For example, I like coffee. I love traveling. I enjoy meeting new people.
And for dislikes, I don't like waking up early. I don't enjoy horror movies. I dislike very spicy food.
Leo, what kind of music do you like?
I love soft and relaxing music.
And what don't you like?
I don't enjoy very loud music.
Okay, Leo, now we have mini speaking challenge.
Oh, wow.
All right, everyone. Now it's your turn. Answer these questions aloud. What is your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? How many people are there in your family? What are your hobbies?
Don't worry if your answers are short.
Speaking a little every day is better than speaking nothing at all.
Sometimes learners think, my English is not good.
But remember something important.
Nobody becomes fluent in one day.
Every expert was once a beginner.
Every new word you learn is progress.
Every sentence you speak builds confidence.
And every mistake teaches you something new.
So never be afraid to speak.
Speak slowly. And speak confidently. And keep practicing every single day.
Repeat after us. My name is... I am... years old. I am from... I am a student. I work as a... There are people in my family. My hobby is... I enjoy... Thank you. Excellent work, everyone.
Your homework for today is simple.
Introduce yourself in English for 2 minutes. Talk about your name, your age, your country, your family, your studies or job, your hobbies.
Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone.
The more you practice, the more confident you will become.
Congratulations, everyone! You have successfully completed Chapter 2.
Today, you learned how to talk about yourself, your family, your age, your job, and your hobbies.
These are some of the most useful topics in everyday English conversations.
Practice them every day, even if it is only for 10 minutes.
Small steps every day create big results.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
In our next chapter, we will learn how to talk about daily routines and everyday activities.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care. Keep practicing your English every day. And remember, you are becoming more confident with every lesson. See you in Chapter 3.